5 little ducks pack tiny bags for an exciting trip today. Mother duck smiled warmly and led them on their way. Quack, 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 they happily sang while they played. They followed a winding path beside a sparkling stream. Colorful butterflies fluttered like a magical dream. The ducklings laughed together as the sunshine beamed. A friendly little turtle waved from a mossy stone. He showed the ducks a shortcut they had never known. Together they continued, never feeling alone. Soon they reached a meadow full of flowers bright. Busy little bees buzzed from morning until night. Every tiny blossom filled them with delight. A playful frog jumped high with a splash into the pond. The ducks all laughed and paddled happily beyond. Their friendship grew even stronger as they wandered on. Then a rainbow stretched across the bright blue sky. The ducklings pointed upward with joyful little cries. They danced beneath the colors as fluffy clouds drifted by. A family of rabbits welcomed them with cheerful smiles. They shared crunchy carrots and rested for a while. Everyone enjoyed the picnic with laughter and style. As the golden sunset painted colors everywhere, Mother Duck called softly with loving care. The ducklings hurried home without a worry or scare. 5 little ducks said, "What a wonderful day! We'll find new adventures every time we play." Quack, 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 they happily waddled away.
Subscribe to Zuzu Nursery TV.